Hey guys, today we are going to make a Charmender. First make a 3D puzzle of it, then cut, then assemble it.
After assembling, it will look like this. Then cover it with glue and use paper. So guys, first we should cover its head. Friends, now we should cover its body. Friends, it's time to cover its tail.
Friends, after covering its full body, it will look like this. Now we should keep him to sun dry. Friends, it's time to make the fire present on its tail. Friends, it's time to make Charmender's nails. Now we should keep it for sun dry. After painting, it will look like this. Now we should make Charmender's eyes. Then cut it. Then paste it. After pasting its eyes, it will look like this. Thank you for watching this video, friends.